Hey everyone, I'm Miolka and today I'm teaching crochet basics. If that's for you, let's begin. First, let's look at how to hold the hook. You can hold it like this, or you can hold it like a pen. I sometimes hold it this way for small details. Try different ways. Choose what's most comfortable for you. Next, how do we hold the yarn? You can simply do this. You can wrap it between fingers for tension, or wrap it around and pinch with thumb and middle finger. There are many ways, I've shown just a few. Now, the actual crocheting. We start with a loop, not counted in the pattern. Adjust the loop to match the hook size, not too big or small. The loop size should allow the hook and thread to pass through. Using your left hand fingers, hold the start, right index on hook, grab thread, pull through loop. This creates an element called chain stitches. Chain stitches often start various projects, making them fundamental. For even loops, maintain consistent tension. Watch thread tension and loop size. Here's another way to adjust. Wrap thread around finger twice, then knit. This creates an air chain. That's how it's done. In upcoming videos, we'll cover main stitch types. We'll explore working in rows and in the round plus increases. Thanks for watching. Questions? Comment below. Subscribe for more lessons. Take care. All the best.